Happy birthday.
Okay, so kind of a cheat. I know what I got, but I don't get to get it out and play with it until we celebrate my birthday, and that would be today, Thursday the 28th. Right?
Yeah.
My birthday's on the 1st.
No, it's Wednesday. Wednesday the 28th.
Okay, Wednesday the 28th. My birthday's on the 1st, but we're celebrating early because we're going to have people in town and, just going to be doing all the fun things.
It's going to be chaotic, so.
Yeah. So we all know that me and Coach are besties.
Definitely.
Best friends. And this is my new love for now. I wanted something, because I have a slouch bag, that's soft. But this one is beautiful. Hello, girl.
It's like a hard-sided.
And you came home with me. Yes. I like it because it's got compartments, basically, was the whole reasoning I wanted this purse. It's got 3 pockets. And I like that because when I just throw stuff in here, I tend to have to dig for a while. So now I know which compartment to go to. Right? Right.
Right.
So let me see. I don't know if this has the name of the style. Well, that did not. Oh no, because the tags were all cut off, remember?
Yeah.
I forgot about that. Anyways, I'll find the style.
We'll get the name of it and I'll stick it in on the video.
So we're gonna do the ultimate coach test.
Okay, here we go.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
Hello.
Does it smell like real leather?
It smells like the coach love of my life. So I love this because we have the short handles for just on the arm. And then I do have the crossbody option. And the crossbody option actually clips inside, which is nice. It doesn't have to be on the outside. So I cannot wait to get home and fill this up because your girl packs lightly when we come to Vegas. So
No.
in my purse I do.
Oh, in your purse, maybe.
Yeah. That's
Everything else no.
This is what we're talking about. Also, it has a hard bottom with the little pegs. I love that too. So this is her in all her glory. And
Pretty nice purse.
he didn't like it at first because he thought these, when you're crossbody in it, he didn't know what these would do.
Yeah, it did.
But you see how they've learned.
Yeah, they've laid down already.
Yeah.
But at the store, they were all up in her under her arm and cockeyed and everything.
And if you're not a purse doer like me, I can tell you, I told him exactly what the fix was. And you just shove the pockets in the opposite side until I actually start using it as a crossbody. That way it will form just like that, so when I go to use it, I won't have to tuck them anymore.
Right.
I just have to lay them down and they'll be fine.
And they're already starting to lay down because that's what she did.
Yep. And that's what you do with leather. You form it to you. You don't let it form to whatever. So this is her. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, this is probably every year I want a new coach purse for my birthday.
And I got a hell of a deal. If you ever go shop for Coach,
yeah.
go to an outlet store.
They have an outlet store online too.
They might actually have the name of it on there. But they have an outlet store here in Vegas, south of the Strip. If at all possible, go to the outlets to buy anything, really, pretty much anything.
Yeah.
But especially Coach, because it was a hell of a deal.
It's a signature Tatum crayon. I'll have to look and see, but it's a Tatum style. I knew that. But guys, this purse, getting it at the outlet saved me $331.74. So they have them originally $450, I thought they said.
Yeah.
And so I years ago learned that if you buy a Coach purse, you can get them better at a better deal at the outlet. He, for the life of him, could not understand.
Mm-hmm.
And so when we started looking it up, and I'm showing him, look, if you go to the Coach store, you're going to pay, your money's just gone.
Right.
And that's part of the reason I haven't went to any other brand.
Right. Now,
know?
if you want the latest and of the styles, then you will have to go to the actual Coach store and to get the
because what
styles
happens
that come
is
out right then.
these go on clearance at the store and they rotate. I think they said every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So once they're off shelf there, they go to their outlet, and that's where the savings are at.
Mm-hmm.
Serious savings. And plus on your birthday, if you sign up for a birthday, I got an additional 15% off for my birthday. So we walked out with that purse costing us $158.
From 450 original.
That's where it's at.
So.
And it's not because I'm a cheap fool. It's because I get the bags that I still want. Now, would I pay $500 for a purse? Hell yeah, I would. If I wanted it, I would buy it. But when I don't just get purses for my birthday.
No, she get purses whenever she wants.
So I think I've gotten 2 since my birthday last year.
Yeah.
I've gotten 4 in the last year.
Right.
So when you buy purses in the caliber that I do, and you want to have a leather experience, go outlet if you can. I don't know, like Louis Vuitton. Like I told you yesterday, I might branch out and get one.
Now that was crazy because before she said she might not ever want a Louis Vuitton, but then yesterday she said she might. So that's kind of crazy.
Well, you took me by a Louis Vuitton store.
True.
I was kind of forced to have to look at the purse store. And of course, you see, I'm a purse lover. I carry one every day. It's kind of like my makeup. Without my makeup, I feel naked. I feel naked without my purse.
And she really truly does.
So it's one of those things. So happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
And when I get home and fill her up, I'll have him take a picture, and you can put that as the thumbnail.
Cool. That'll work.
Because it smells so good, guys. I wish I could share the smell with you. And that is how you know. Like, you just put your head in it. Just put your head in it. Like, just smell. Just smell.
Smells like leather to me.
It's beautiful.
Get a close up with it open.
Well, we have to. Okay. So we have these 2 pockets. This pocket. And on this side you have 2 inserts for like phone or anything there, 2 little ones. And then only on that side, but that works for me. I'll be honest, I had a hard time picking a purse this time because there was 2 I was going for with the 3 opening style. Because what I've learned is I have to have the 3 openings or I just shuffling 4. And I didn't realize that until I got the littler bags.
Right.
I don't have to shuffle as much. So. Yay!
Yay.
So now we're gonna go eat and enjoy the rest of my birthday evening.
Yep. We are.
And then I'll celebrate again on Saturday.
Yes.
And I better have some cake in my life.
So, okay.
And until then,
please like,
share,
subscribe,
and hit the bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
For future notifications. Bye, guys.
We'll be back.
Be around.